Cha, ngicabanga ukuthi igame idlale kahle ukuthi iproblem esinayo enkulu sinabalandeli aba-impatient sometimes. Fortunately I was there eMbombela. I'm here today. I'm gonna be here Wednesday. I'm gonna be here Saturday. Why? Because I don't follow a score. I follow Chiefs. And secondly, people must give a coach a fair chance to do what he needs to do. Some were questioning indaba striker. There's no issue about the striker because remember when you play, you will always try to do two things. One, you will have Utuba, who is not a holding striker, who is a mobile striker. And then Waibota Isebenzi, then he brought in a holding striker to try and do something else. So I think for me, that was perfect and fine. And Ogungi, I'm happy with the Chiefs idliwe today. Why?
Why?
Because kufuneka mangabe wakha something. Remember Chiefs, it is not where it should be. So umi winner today sizocabanga ukuthi all is in order. Kanti akukho in order because we are still building. So kumele idliwe so that sizobona no, there are still gaps there and there. So in my view, it is fine. And then any issue, there was someone who was complaining about the middle field.
Yeah.
Let's give credit to Golden Arrows. Either bebefake bani ku-Chiefs, it doesn't matter. Golden Arrows went and do homework. What was the homework? The homework was that they must make sure ukuthi Chiefs does not play from the back. They must try ukuthi bayi pressure from the back. Uma ngabe beqeda kuyi pressure from the back, may ba disjointed because remember we're still building. Abadlali bethu, they are still not that much comfortable in terms of the ball. So that is why always uma ngabe ama midfield wethu ephethe iball bebengakhona ukuthena labo befana balibuyisele emuva. Why? Because there were 2 or 3 people that were pressing. So that is what was happening, and Aero did well in making sure that they are outplaying Kaizer Chiefs.
They outplayed you.
Yes, they did well. So we must not say just because Aero did well City Chiefs idlale bad. No, it's just that the plan for Aeros ibe good or against Kaizer Chiefs.
Thank you, Khosi.
Thank you.